Hey, hey guys, this, just to tell you, is Death of Big Bird. So, I'll just go and get Big Bird, my friend. Here he is, that little dick, whose nose has been chewed up by my dog. So, here he is. Big Bird, my man. Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird. Okay, so you can see Big Bird here. And I'll just go to get some stuff I'm gonna kill him with. Golf clubs. Golf clubs are fun. Now let's go and get something else to kill Big Bird with.
I am Big Bird, and I will get all of you.
Cricket stump. Okay, that was pretty cool killing Big Bird. Now let's see my dog kill Big Bird. There she is, my dog. She's not in the mood to kill things, so yeah. The monster. Say hi. Hi guys. I'm gonna take this cricket slump. Yeah, bye. You heard, Willow? That's all I've got. See ya.